Hey everyone! In this video, we'll show you how to turn your linear projects into a clean, organized to-do list using MockFlow IdeaBoard in under 2 minutes. Here, we have a linear project for the product management platform. It contains backlogs, tasks, and issues, but for this example, we'll convert only the assigned issues into an organized to-do list. First, open Ask MIDA and go to Connections. Choose Linear, click Connect, sign in to your Linear account. And then click Apply. Your Linear workspace is now connected to MIDA. Next, enter the prompt, make a to-do list of my linear product management platform issues assigned to me. Then click Generate. In just a few seconds, MIDA fetches the assigned issues from Linear and transforms them into a structured to-do list. Each issue becomes an editable task that we can easily reorder, group, prioritize, and collaborate on with our team. Give it a try and see how much easier planning becomes.